Hello, the good people of YouTube. I'm Ken, and today I will be showing you how to make a simple ducking circuit using only one IC. This is an example of the ducking sound in action. This is the schematic diagram, and the active component is this super bright LED which activates this LDR when there is no sound. The input of the LD1403 is sourced from the auxiliary send of the mixer through the first volume control, and this is usually linked from the main microphone. Once the signal reaches a designated level, for example, this is the second LED, it will deactivate the LED and the source of the audio to be controlled, example, the music, will be attenuated. How much the music is muted will depend on the second volume control. This second volume control enables minimal gain reduction to a maximum of 20 dB, or when it is totally off, it can achieve a total muting of up to 30 dB. This ducking circuit has one input for the VU control and the other one in and one out for the music control. There are no preamps for this stage, as it is basically just an LED LDR volume control. With this simple circuit, you can now control music quickly and automatically.